How to organize Pinterest pins and boards. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. This video is valid for both Android and iOS devices. So first, we open the Pinterest app and you click on the profile icon on the bottom right. Once you click on that, here you'll find a gear option. You have to click on that gear option, and here there are options. You can sort it by A to Z alphabetically, or you can newest to oldest. You have to click on auto sort boards, but if you want it to be customized and your way, click on customized, and all these boards are showing. So I have to hold it and I have to get it down or in the middle, which one up. I have to keep this one in the middle or this one on the top. So this is how you organize Pinterest pins and boards. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.